Hi everyone, here we've got a POCO X3 Pro and let me share with you how to change volume buttons function in the camera app on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app and let's check for what the volume buttons are responsible for right now. So let me press the volume up button and volume down button, and as you can see, they've got their regular function applied, so we can change the volume of the sounds. So in order to change the function, we have to enter the settings. So let's tap on this three bars icon in the right upper corner, and here we have to enter the actual settings. So let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got volume buttons function option, so let's tap on it. Sorry, that was a misclick. And here we've got actually 4 different options from which we can choose. Right now we've got volume option applied, we've just checked it, and here we've got also this tick icon. This option is also highlighted. What's more, we can choose zoom option, shutter countdown, or just regular shutter. So let's start with the shutter. In order to change the function, just tap on the option like to use. As you can see, it is immediately notified right here that it has been changed. So let's go back to the camera and check if it is working. So let me press the volume up button. And as you can see, the camera flashed, so it means that the photo has been taken. And the volume down button, the same situation, the photo has been taken. So this is how it works. Let me check the option with shutter countdown. Let's tap on it, let's get back, and let me press the volume up button. And as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 2, obviously after pressing the volume button, and then it will take a photo. Let's check the volume down button also, and the same situation is counting down from 2. So let's check also the last option, which is the zoom. And obviously after pressing the volume up button, we can zoom in so we can get closer to our item. And after pressing the volume down button, we can get we can zoom out actually. So well, actually that's all. This is how to change volume buttons function in the camera app in your POCO X3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.